I still like how, me and you were spraying those, wafts down, and, like, Jaron, Zach, Anthony were supervising, and your dad goes into the farmhouse and starts, like, killing them from there with the electric fly swatter.
Oh, yeah.
And Becky's just, like, 30 feet away from us.
It's like these idiots. I think I put the perfect amount of water in this.
I don't know, I did pretty freaking good. How do you have so much more?
She walked up her break, I walked up mine. I was really there. Barry got a link break. Get it all the way down.
It's too late now.
Yeah.
Plus, I don't think I have a knife that'll go through it all the way. Oh, it did!
Now you stick your fingers in it and it'll crack the rest of the way open.
Hey, is that the knife I got you?
It is. Long time ago.
In bulk to all these guys that would go down to the big cities and stuff. So they'd roll up in this old rickety truck and we'd load them down 400 or 500 watermelons. They'd be on their way.
There you go. What do you say?
He's going to Mosey. Good meeting
Good
you.
eating, man. Thanks for the watermelon.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright, we probably won't. New road trip rule.
What?
If an Oklahoma man offers you watermelon, you should probably take it.
How long of a bolt is this?
You're not even close. Probably doesn't help that he's been sitting here spending the whole time.
That dude was so nice. Y'all want some watermelon?
I don't know if I have room for that. Here you go. Oh, okay. I turned the camera on just in time to watch me help you, even though I haven't been doing anything this whole time.
You didn't film the part of me.
Of you struggling and holding it up there by yourself, yeah. Heading to Walmart early this morning, grab a mount, get some better shots in the Jeep, let Chris record a little bit, take a poop, because this campground actually did not have a bathroom. Just ate some food here. Every single pump that's here is ethanol free. Our journey to Colorado today is going as planned.
You know where we're going to next?
No, I have no idea. We're going to Colorado next.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we should probably figure it out actually. Hour and a half to go until New Mexico. And then 20 minutes until Colorado, but we're staying in New Mexico tonight. campground. We were supposed to go to another one. It was like 27 minutes away from here, 27 miles. We were pretty well whooped. I think we've done about 400 miles today. It's all been on the motorcycle. And we got there and there was a sign that said, if it's past 7 p.m., you are trespassing. Move on. Don't bother. And like I called them earlier in the day. They didn't answer. They didn't call me back. And I looked on their website, and the website said they're open until 8:30. And we got there about 8 o'clock. No problem, but pretty salty about that. Closest one was 27 miles. It's this one over here, KOA. Middle of a city, pretty loud. But at least we're here. Chris is making food. Which one are you going for?
Chicken enchilada flavor.
Oh,
Which
my
one are you
gosh.
going for?
I'm gonna eat your gumbo.
Because there's also some seat flavors.
Oh, there's more?
Yeah, it's been cooking underneath the.
Those are probably warm already. We probably don't have to do anything with those. Oh yeah, yours was the glossy. Mine was matte. No, those are exactly the same. Anthony got us the same ones.
Why is that not level?
Remove lid, seasoning pack. The salt?
I don't know what that does, but it's
And
supposed
you
to be
fill to fill line,
okay. And then what?
and then we boil the water.
Then you dump the water back out?
No.
Great idea. We'll make a camping stove. Like, yeah, that's a good idea. And we'll make it run off of the standard propane tank. They're like, no.
Absolutely not. You can buy those anywhere.
Then what's it gonna run off of? So we developed this thing called camping gas. It's just like propane. Actually, it is 95% propane, but that's besides the point.
Mm-hmm.
The soup is good.
Chris spilled it. Where's the thing at? Oh, it's
thing?
just sitting right here. Never mind. That's just so sad, man. I hate to see it, honestly.
Yeah. Gonna try your soup.
Nope, all you get is SpaghettiOs. That was the rule.